Hi, this is Mark Harrington from markharrington.com. I'm doing a quick review video on Kevin Fahey's new product launching on April 30th. It's called Free Affiliate Funnels. Kevin Fahey's been involved in the internet marketing industry for 12 or 13 years. He's had great success in creating training programs, over-the-shoulder training programs to help people with marketing and with traffic and list building. He has a series of premium PLR, private label rights products, and he is also the master of internet marketing checklists, and he has something like 45 or 50 checklists that he has published over the last couple of years. I will start with the sales page. So the sales page, the offer says get unprecedented access to his actual high-performing sales funnels that he's generated $500,000 in revenue. So that's offer number one. Offer number two is leverage them to build your own email lists and grow your affiliate marketing business. And then he says he'll help with the follow-ups, the upsells, and making sure you're generating the most amount of money from your traffic. And I'm going to go down to the list of funnels. Basically, he's giving 10 affiliate marketing funnels. So he's giving you access to a front-end gift and then the pathway into a funnel. And there are 10 of them all. The topics are wide-ranging. I'm going to cover the one that I've spent a bit of time on. It's called Affiliate Marketing Done Right. So it's a free offer. It's a report of 7 or 8 ideas on getting affiliate marketing right. An upsell is on it's called Commission 5, which is it's a commission generating traffic training program. Then there's an upsell called Free Traffic Shotgun, which I have purchased previously, which is really leveraging social media profiles to get free traffic. And then there's a Marketing Power Pack, which includes 8 marketing training programs. And then the last upsell is a trial, a $3 trial of the internet marketing checklist business. You get access to the 2022 or the current year checklists, and then for a monthly fee, you'll get one new checklist each month on a range of quite diverse topics. So that is a sample of what one of these funnels look like. So basically what he's done is reached into his library of giveaways and created a funnel with 10 of those giveaways, and then you just send traffic to that funnel entry point, and then he will do all the upselling from here and under option number 1. Now, I've been a customer of Kevin's for some time, and so he gave me a review access to the membership site or to the free affiliate funnel site. The start here has got 3 videos. There's a welcome video, your options, and there are 2 options. Option number 1 is just to send traffic to the funnels. Option number 2 is to download the landing page or the opt-in page and the thank you page, and then add the email follow-up series to your own autoresponder. And then the next video is called The Next Step, where he steps back and just suggests how to start your program of launching free affiliate funnels. And I will come back to that in my discussion on my approach. So these are the 10 free affiliate funnels, and we'll see there's some. I've drawn some themes out of these. There are a couple on email marketing. There are a couple on starting or building an affiliate marketing business. So that's Project Restart, Affiliate Marketing Done Right, and Affiliate Marketing Mastery. There are a few to do with traffic, so 10x traffic, YouTube advertising, and lead sources. And then there are these 3 at the bottom here are premium PLR reports. So basically he's giving access to the front end as your gift, and then one of the upsells will be programs that are in these premium PLR product portfolios. And then he includes a significant amount of training. Training is on how to request your affiliate link, on traffic generation, on formatting emails and the follow-up emails. And then for those of you who choose to follow option number 2, which is to build your own landing page, there's some training on a number of the platforms. And we'll come back to that in a little more detail. So if I'm working on affiliate marketing done right, so I'm just going to pop on that page and we'll see what you get under each of these funnels. So then I said you have two options. Option number one is just send traffic to the funnel and earn commissions all the way through those funnels. All you have to do that is request approval on WarriorPlus for your link and then start driving traffic to that link. So the work is simply to get approval and then to drive traffic. Option number two is to download the squeeze page, so the opt-in page and the thank you page, which includes offers to go further down the funnel, add in to your own autoresponder list, and then use the follow-up email series provided to drive some more sales. So what's in this funnel? This funnel that's the freebie up front, which is a nice report. There is an upsell of Commission 5, upsell of free traffic shotgun, upsell of marketing power pack, and an upsell of the IM checklist trial. The process then for getting started, request your affiliate link, is very simple. We'll bang that. It'll open up a window in WarriorPlus. If you're not signed in, you have to sign in. So we'll sign in. And if you're not a member, so you'll see, so if you're not a member of WarriorPlus, you'll clearly need to open an account at WarriorPlus. It's simple, it's free. Build a profile so that Kevin can at least recognize who you are and what you're all about. And then you'll see here it says you must be approved by Kevin to promote this offer. You request approval, and it'll open up a window that says, and you've just got to type in the request notes that he suggests that if you basically tell him that you're a free affiliates funnels customer, you will get approved. It's not automatic, it's a manual process, but you will be approved. So that's sort of step number one. That's for option number one. So basically, once you've got that link, all you got to do is drive traffic, however you choose to do that, whether it's through your social media profiles, whether it's through a safe list program or solo ads, it's up to you. Option number two, it starts the same way. Request the affiliate link for the products that are in the funnel. But the key here is this one here is he's included the code for the pages, for the landing pages using Convertri. So if I just cut and paste this, so I'll copy that. I'm just going to bang it into the next window. And what Convertri will do, or what will happen is it'll create a preview version. So if you're using Convertri and I'm a Convertri user, so I'm already logged in, it'll just say, allow me to import this page, and it will actually pop that page in. So what is in this page? The landing pages are very simple. There's a headline, there's a sub-headline, there's a call to action, and there are a bunch of legal things down at the bottom. If I press the call to action button, it pops up a window that asks for your email address, and it says get instant free access. So all you have to do is you've got to connect this to your autoresponder and then connect your autoresponder back to the follow-up page. And there you go. If you're not a Convertri user, all you've got to do is copy this concept into your page builder. Now, some page builders will have a import function, and all you have to do is import it using this URL. And then the second part of so we've got to do that for the download page. And then the second part of building your own list is you want to grab the emails. So there's a first follow-up email template, which you need to cut and paste, put the links into it and cut and paste that into your autoresponder. And then the follow-up emails is an important set of So it's a set of follow-up emails, and the follow-ups are all based on the products that are in the funnel. So it's a question of just looking at which of the products in the funnel that you've promoted at the front end, and that is presented on this page. Now I'll show. So these products here. So I am upselling Commission 5, Free Traffic Shotgun, the Marketing Power Pack, and the IM Checklist trial. So I want to create a series of emails from this list of emails from each of these. So you'll see, so if I'm doing, I've started that process in mine. I'm doing Commission 5 first. So there I pop in the Commission 5. And then all you've got to do is cut and paste these into your autoresponder and put in your own affiliate links, which you have got from WarriorPlus. So that is pretty well it in a nutshell, is you're getting access to 10 funnels. So I want to just, so let's just summarize. And let's talk about the rest of the funnel. So we've talked about the front end. So free affiliate funnels it's selling for $16.95, so $17. The first upsell, it's called Free Affiliate Funnels Reseller, and basically is you convert your 50% commission to 100% commission. So you're running your own business and taking 100% of the commissions. And then there's a downsell of that for $47. The second upsell is Free Traffic Shotgun, which is a training program to help you drive free traffic across from your social media profiles. The third upsell is called the Marketing Power Pack. There are 8 training programs, all to help you with aspects of your internet and affiliate marketing and traffic generation. The fourth upsell is the IM Checklist Gold Monthly Membership. I've mentioned that already. It's a $3 trial. And then $17.95 a month, you get access to all the 2022 checklists, and then you get one new checklist per month. They cover a range of topics, and the best way to get value from those is that if you can deploy those checklists, is you grab all the ones that you get when you first sign up, keep running the trial for as long, or keep running the program for as long as you're deploying, and then turn them off, which is the smart way to drive that, unless you've got an established business process for deploying those as your own product in your existing business. So that covers the funnel. I mean, you're going to step back to the front end. So I said you've got 2 options. I've called them the shortcut option and the versus the build a list option. So the shortcut option, you get direct access. All you have to do is request approval for that link, send traffic to the funnels. So the second option, the build a list option, is all you've got to do is copy the opt-in page and the thank you page and link in your autoresponder. There are 10 funnels. We'll talk about what's in those funnels right now. I have covered that a little bit. The broad topics are email marketing, affiliate marketing, productivity, starting a business, and traffic. Now I want to talk about approach. Kevin does cover this in the training, but I've gone a little bit ahead of what he talks about. My first thought is just get started and get quick results. So be lazy and pick a topic that you can relate to and send traffic for a 2-week period. And just keep running those traffic programs and get results and see what works. And see which traffic sources work best with which type of offer. And then while you're waiting for that flow to flow through, start planning to build your own list. If you already have a page builder and autoresponder, the best advice is to use those tools. So use the tools that you know. So all you've got to do is to copy them, deploy them in the tools that you understand. If you do not have either of those tools, pick the tools that are covered in the training. So pick Convertri for the page builder. It's a great page builder. And pick Aweber for the autoresponder, because Kevin's training is in Convertri and in Aweber. So you will fast start what you're doing if you have not already got those tools in place. And then what his suggestion is to get started on 1 or 2 funnels and run those for a couple of weeks. And then the step which I've added in as a suggestion is start differentiating yourself. As you can imagine, if this product sells 500 times, you are going to start seeing these pages looking exactly the same, carpet bombed right across the internet. And there are simple ways to do it. You can change the images. You can add in a welcome video to the thank you page to introduce yourself. And you can use your own branding. And then the last point, the idea is to add bonuses on WarriorPlus. And we'll cover that. Let's pop down to, this is WarriorPlus. This is the approval page for Commission 5, or the product page for Commission 5. You can see that there is a link here already. There's a button here called Link Settings. So if I pop across to Link Settings, I can put in a bonus URL here. So link it into a download or to a thank you page where people can download. And that's something that I will progressively be doing. I have already got bonuses in place for some of the products in the funnels for things that I have previously been promoting. And that is one way to differentiate yourself. So we go back to, so that's the approach, a suggested approach that will make you stand out from the crowd. So when we're talking about bonuses, I have included some bonuses as well for my offer. Given that what you're doing here is you're going to need to drive traffic is going to be job number 1, and job number 2 is to build a list and build a list of engaged subscribers. My bonuses are all to do with that. So the bonus page will look like this. This review video will pop in this hole here, and these words come from the sales page. What I've done is I've included a free silver membership of a traffic generation club, which is a series of video-based trainings on how to fill your lists with hot buyer leads, basically how to get people onto your lists and engaged. The second one is I included a report called List Building Expert, which is help you with the strategy for email marketing and for list building. The third bonus I've put in is called Lead Generation Authority, is how to convert those leads, how to get more of them, and how to get them hot so that they become hot buyers of your products. The fourth bonus I've put in is, given that we're talking about funnels, I've put in a report called Sales Funnel Authority. Because in due course, you may well want to, or find it attractive, to start building your own sales funnel. So this will help you to design your sales funnels, but also to optimize the flow of traffic into your funnel. So, for example, how to engage your audience and build trust. It's fundamental for any sort of funnel that you might be running. Then the fifth bonus is I've put in, and I've been very deliberate in doing this, is I've picked in 4 lead generation checklists. These are checklists that come from Kevin Fahey on the products that I have bought, and I've picked 4 only. So get more leads from social media profiles, answering questions online, solo ads. So when you get traffic from someone else's lists, and Facebook lead ads, because those lend themselves to being 4 places that you could well drive traffic into these new funnels. And then the last one is building on that is I've included a membership called Surefire Wealth Silver Membership. This is a library of PLR material, private label rights materials, which gives you, covering a range of topics, online marketing and other topics like weight loss and things like that, where you can use them as a source for giveaways. And so, for example, that Sales Funnel Authority came from my gold membership of Surefire Wealth. And it also includes a number of products that have private label rights or master resale rights, when you can actually sell the rights to sell the products, so that you can start building that at the back ends of your own funnels. So in total value of those bonuses is $343. And that's probably enough to absorb for this video. Now I've talked about the front end, I've talked about the funnel, I've talked about my bonuses, and I've talked about approaches to getting the best value out of the free affiliate funnels. And I will make a review video, and probably let's call it an implementation video, going through the process steps for implementing the one of these funnels in Convertri and Aweber, which are my chosen platforms. I appreciate your time and your attention.